In this prelude to summer, join Sandals on a journey to discover a spiritual habitat.
Together with Yao, we step into a green painting. Every leaf and breeze is singing the hymn of summer.
Wuzhi Mountain gets its name from its five finger-like peaks. It is Hai난's tallest mountain and the source of the island's major rivers, including the Changhua and Wanzhong rivers. The average annual temperature here is 22.8 degrees. It is perfect summer getaway.
What a beautiful day, right? How do you like here, the rainforest?
I loved and I enjoyed every minute I spent here. The feel of the cool breeze on our skin, the sound of the rustling leaves, the crystal clear streams and waterfalls. It's quite a serene experience.
It is, I totally agree.
Upon entering this Li village inn at the foot of Wuzhi Mountain, one is greeted by a vivid kaleidoscope of Li brocade and lush mountains. Walking among the splendor, one is immersed in a unique charm of traditional Li culture, which simple yet striking. Maona Village, where we are right now, it's adjacent to the Hainan Tropical Rainforest National Park and is currently developing its rainforest tea-growing industry. The village is a picture of grain industry rooted in the local ecological environment.
You hungry now? Because
I'm
of your bed?
very hungry now that you mention it.
What about let's try some local food here?
I'd love to. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wuzhi Mountain is not only a mountain, but also a hymn to nature and a tribute to life itself.